Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss about 8th standard science subject in lesson 5 electricity. Today I am going to discuss about 8th standard science subject in lesson 5 electricity. A new topic, flow of charges. Already you know, charges they have two types, positive charge and negative charge. Suppose you have two metallic spheres. This is the two metallic spheres, one having the more negative charge. One having the more negative charge, that means excess of electrons, and the other having the more positive charge, that means the deficiency of electrons. When you connect them both with the help of wires, the electrons from the negatively charged sphere will start flow towards the positively charged spheres. This flow continues till the number of electrons in both the spheres is equal. Hence, the positively charged sphere is said to be higher potential, and the negatively charged sphere is the lower potential. Hence, electrons flow from lower potential to higher potential. This is known as electric current. That means flow of current. The difference between these potentials is known as potential difference. Once again, the electrons flows from lower potential to higher potential. This is called as electric current. That means flow of charges. The difference between these potential is called as potential difference. Commonly, it is known as voltage. Before the discovery of electrons, it was considered that electric current is due to the flow of positive charges. The flow of positive charge is called the conventional current. The flow of positive charge is moved to the negative charge. It is called as conventional current. The conventional current flows from higher potential to lower potential. Once again, conventional current means the flow of current is a higher potential to lower potential. This is called as flow of charges. Next topic, electroscope. An electroscope is a scientific device that is used to detect the presence of an electric charge on a body. In the year 16, British physician William Gilbert invented the first electroscope with a pivoted needle called versorium. The first electroscope developed in 16 by William Gilbert was called versorium. The versorium was simply a metal needle allowed to pivot freely on a pedestal. The metal would be attracted to charged bodies brought near. It is the first electrical instrument. There are two types of electroscope. Pitchball electroscope and gold leaf electroscope. An electroscope is made out of conducting materials, generally metals. It works on the principle that like charges repel each other. In a simple electroscope, two metal sheets are hang in contact with each other. They are connected to a metal rod that extends upwards and end in a knob at the end. If you bring a charged object near the knob, electrons will either move out or into it. This will result in charges accumulating on the metal leaves inside the electroscope. If a negatively charged object is brought near the top knob of the electroscope, it causes free electrons in the electroscope to move down into the leaves, leaving the top positive. Since both the leaves have negative charge, they repel each other and move apart. If a positive object is brought near the top knob of the electroscope, the free electrons in the electroscope start to move up and towards the knob. This means that the bottom of the net positive charge. The bottom has a net positive charge. The leaves will spread apart again now. Next, gold leaf electroscope. The gold leaf electroscope was developed in 1787 by a British scientist named Abraham Bennett. Gold leaf electroscope was developed by Abraham Bennett in the year 1787, which is more sensitive than pitch pole electroscope. Gold and silver are used in electroscope because they are the best conductors of electric current. Structure of electroscope. It consists of a vertical metal rod which has two parallel strips of thin flexible gold leaf hang to it. To prevent the gold leaf from traps of air, it is kept in a glass bottle. The gold leaves spread apart into inverted V when a charged object is brought near to it. Working of electroscope. When the brass disc of the electroscope is touched by a charged object, electric charge gets transferred to the gold leaf through the rod. This results in gold leaves move away from each other. This happens because both the leaves have similar charges. Charging. Transfer of charge from one object to another is called charging. In case of gold leaves, charge is transferred through the brass rods. Next, pitch pole electroscope. Pitch pole electroscope was invented by John Next, pitch pole electroscope. Pitch pole electroscope was invented by John Canton in the year 1754. It consists of one or two small light balls that are a lightweight, non-conductive substance called pitch. In order to find if the object is charged or not, it is brought near uncharged pitch ball. If the ball gets attracted towards the object, it means the object is charged. Uses of electroscope. It is used to detect the static charges. The nature of electric charges can be determined using an electroscope. The magnitudes of two different charges can be compared using an electroscope. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.